What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having a blessed day. So if it's your first time to the channel, please check out the content. If it's content that you like, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning viewer or already a subscriber, guys, I appreciate y'all so much. So just out for a little ride today. Got my wife on the back. She doesn't ride with me very often, and so just out for a little ride. But anyway, I want to talk to you guys about the about tailgaters. So what you should do if you have someone tailgating you, or what you should do if you have someone that's tailgating. So first thing I want to do is make sure that I am traveling the speed limit and making sure that I am going with the flow of traffic. Now, one thing I don't do is ride right up on somebody that's right in front of me. I don't do that because what I want to do is make sure that if there's a vehicle in front of me, if they see something in the road, they run over something in the road, that I'm not so close on them that I don't have time to react. So what I end up doing is you know, I make sure I maintain a distance. If y'all saw that right there, there was a big old tree limb in the road, but I was able to avoid that, and I warned my son, he's riding behind me. Anyway, back to tailgaters. So one thing I do, again, like I said, is I do make sure I'm running the speed limit. I do make sure I got good lane position. So if somebody is tailgating me and I'm on my motorcycle and they want to go, I end up just I'll hug this white line right over here and slow down and just motion them on. The last thing I want to do is get into a confrontation with somebody that, especially when I'm on a motorcycle, if it's just not worth it. I've seen too many videos of where people get into it, and if I'm on a motorcycle and you're in a car, I don't care what size car or anything, you're going to lose that battle. So it's just not a fight worth fighting. So make sure I give them the courtesy and let them go on by. And if I need to, I'll actually pull over on the side of the road and get out of there and just let them go on by. But the other is as you're doing that is you want to make sure that safe distance between the person that you're riding in front of, you also got a safe distance behind you. And the reason why you want to do that is, or the person that's behind you is maintaining a safe distance, because if that person, if you have to make a emergency lane shift or something like that, if that person's right up on you, then it's going to be very hard for you guys to potentially not get hit, especially if people are looking on their cell phones or whatever. But anyway, I just wanted to talk to you guys about that. If you have other things that you guys do for and dealing with tailgaters, if y'all would please put that in the comments down below and let me know what you guys do. And again, if you're new to the channel, please check out the content. If it's content you like, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning viewer or already a subscriber, guys, I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you so much for the support. Y'all have a wonderful day.